Five little ducks by the lake one day. Mama duck said, come and play. Splash, splash, splash in the water blue. Quack, 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 we love you. Wiggle your wings and stomp your feet. Duckies dancing to the happy beat. Quack, 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 hooray, hooray. Duckies having fun all day. One little duck saw a shiny fish swimming around with a swishy wish. Duck said hello with a happy sound, splashing circles all around. Wiggle your wings and stomp your feet. Duckies dancing to the happy beat. Quack, 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 hooray, hooray. Duckies having fun all day. Duckies found a muddy spot, jumping together, splish, splish, splat. Brown muddy puddles on tiny toes, giggle, giggle from head to nose. Through a little ducky saw butterflies fly, yellow and purple up in the sky. Duckies flapped wings and danced around, spinning softly on the ground. Four little duckies under the tree, playing a game, can you catch me? Running quickly left and right, laughing loudly with delight. Sun goes down with golden light, stars come twinkling in the night. Mama duck says time for bed, little duckies rest their heads. Five little duckies say goodnight, moon shines softly, big and bright, dreaming of splashes, games and fun. Tomorrow brings another sun. Wiggle your wings and stomp your feet.